This is going to be a very quick but a very specific reading for whoever needs to hear this. Let's get into it. Some of you really need to practice meditation, and you really need to practice increasing your intuition, strengthening your intuition, and start listening to your gut feeling and the inner voice that you have. Because after you listen to your inner voice, it is going to do both the things. One, keep your inner child happy, at the same time give you the power, inner confidence and strength to be a perfect adult for yourself, who is going to give you the life of your dreams. Okay. If you're currently not satisfied with the person that you are in a romantic relationship with, even if it's a commitment of years, you're advised here to take the leap of faith towards your dreams and destiny without keeping this person in your mind. I know it's hard. But you're advised here to do that, be in this energy of protecting yourself at all the costs, even if it's without this person. Literally, you're advised here to focus on your individual journey. The hangman and the fool for me are literally the same person, but the hangman and the fool both being upside down tells me that either you'll have to take this leap of faith towards your dreams, towards your destiny, or you will get stuck in wherever you are. So if you want to like move forward in your life, if you want to protect yourself, if you want to give yourself the love of your life, I don't know, love can literally mean anything. But if you want to come into this energy of stability, groundness, if you want to come into this energy of living your dream life, being there for yourself, protecting yourself, having a soft, abundant and slow life, if you want to come into this energy of where you don't want to like stress constantly 24/7, if you want to pamper yourself, if you want to protect yourself, if you want to like give yourself the love of your life, which is your dream life. So your love is your dream life. If you want to love yourself, you will have to take this leap of faith, even if it means letting go of this current person from your life and completely detaching from them. Yeah, because this person is just going to leave you heartbroken and drained. Do you see the difference? King of Pentacles is the most abundant person. Abundance, he has abundance, security, prosperity, stability, confidence, protection, financial status, and he is fulfilled in his life, whether it's emotionally or financially. Five of Pentacles, on the other hand, is a very broken card. They don't have the money, they don't have abundance, they don't have security, stability. At the same time, they don't even have a person to rely on. Or even when they have a person in their life, both of them are in the same situation, which is emptiness. Both of them are empty. So you have a choice. What do you want to choose? Whether you want to like choose a person who is empty inside, whether you want to choose a person who is not even ready to pour into themselves, because that type of person is never going to pour into you. Or this is the high time when you choose yourself and you love yourself, not because you hate the person that you're with, but because you want to love yourself, because you come first. And the universe will take care of the person that you are with as well. But this is the time when you focus on yourself and loving yourself. This is the high time, they are saying. Yeah, if you cannot, oh my god, the tower at the bottom. I'll tell you something. Four of Pentacles, I'll tell you something. You already cannot see the future with this person. You already know that you do not have a future with this person. That is the reason why you're holding so tight to this relationship, to this person, because somewhere deep down you know that you don't have a future with them. You know that you cannot build a foundation with this person. That is the freaking reason why you're holding so tight to this connection, you're literally ready to do anything it takes in order to be with this person, because you know this person is not going to stay in your life for a longer period of time. This is the time when you give yourself the reality check that you need, which is that you need to focus on your individuality, which is to focus on giving yourself the independence, the leap of faith, and achieving your King of Pentacles, which is stability, security. You know that feeling of softness in our life, that we can be soft, we can be feminine, we can be relaxing. Nobody's coming at us and starting an argument. Nobody's coming at us and asking for money. Nobody's coming at us and being like, okay, you have to get this done, otherwise I'm gonna start a fight, I'm not gonna love you. Every one of us, each one of us deserves to have a life where we have people in our life who are ready to support us, who are there for us when we need reliability. Every one of us, every one of us deserves a person in their life who we can go and rely on when the life is getting hard. And if you want that for yourself, you will have to let go of this energy, focus on yourself so that you can get here. And 100%, as you move forward, you will also attract people who are loving and giving and caring. Otherwise, I'll tell you one more thing, and this is something that I love about universe the most. If something and somebody is not right for you, they will do anything in their power to remove them out of your life. Even after knowing the fact that you don't have future with them, even after knowing the fact that this is coming to an end, if you're holding it so tight, if you're holding the connection with this person so tight, in the near future you will experience the tower moment. What is a tower moment? Your life falling down completely abruptly because you are not ready to give up. What do I mean by that? Something will happen which will force the two of you to part your ways. Something will happen which will force you to move on from this person. Something will happen that will push you towards letting go of this person, accept yourself fully for who you are, accept the reality of the situation, and let go of this connection. The spirit is not really guiding me to say whether the two of you will have a future together or not. Like, after you let go of this person, will you guys reunite or not? I'm not guided to say that. But this is the time when you give up. This is the time when you let go, and you should just focus on that. Focus on loving yourself, working on yourself, having fun with your friends, and celebrating. Perspective change is so much needed in order to move on from this person. We have, like I said, oh my freaking god, my accuracy will shock you. King of Wands in reverse, Queen of Wands in reverse. What did I say? Even if you are with a person, that person is also empty inside. King and Queen of Wands in reverse is literally freaking distorted energy. Literally a freaking distorted energy. You are not yourself, your person is not yourself, themselves, and both of you are just creating more chaos together. Sorry for my language, but I'll be honest with you. Both of you don't know what you want out of life. Both of you are just so much insecure, and that's why you are like so scared to lose out on something which is not even serving you. You're so scared to let go of something which is literally empty, and that's why you're so possessive and insecure and want to like hold on to this relationship so tight, when both of you don't even realize whether this is the connection you want or not. This is the time when you give yourself the reality check. Take this as a warning from the universe. Take this as a warning. Either love and respect yourself, give yourself the reality check that you need, come in the acceptance, because your insecurity is not going to take you any freaking where. But following your passions, being there for yourself, taking your stand is going to do that. So take this as a warning about your love life from the universe, is that if you don't give yourself the reality check that you need right now, and only take it if it is resonating with you, only take this if it is resonating with you, only and only take each and every word of mine if this is resonating with you. If it is not, then let go of it. But if it did resonate with you, take this as a warning from the universe either give yourself the reality check, or very soon you will experience the tower moment in this situation, where you will be forced by the universe to let go of this person, right? If you want to connect with me on one-on-one sessions, you can book that from the link given in the description box below, or you can DM me on Instagram. The link for everything is listed below. Don't forget to like this video. I'm sending you so much love and light. We'll see you guys in the next one, and subscribe for more. Bye bye. Take care.